One of the biggest thing about Bengal is that we love fish to eat. Preparing and eating fish has become a part of our Bengali tradition. Parshe Macher Jhol, Begun Bori Jhol, or a small-sized fresh mullet fish made with eggplant and lentil dumplings. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. So let's see what we'll need to make this recipe. Parshe Mach or Bengal Parshe, eggplant or Begun Bori or dried lentil dumplings, tomatoes, slitted green chilies, poppy seeds, mustard seed and green chili paste, crushed ginger, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, nigella seeds or kalonji, salt and mustard oil. So first I'll marinate the fish with half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Gently massage them and marinate for 30 minutes. Now I will fry the eggplant and bori. Into a pan, heat 1.5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Take the bori and fry them to light brown. Bori is dried lentil dumplings, popular in Bengali cuisine. You can see they change their color. Take them out. Now fry the eggplant. First cut the eggplant horizontally, then lengthwise. They all soak the oil. You can see they change their color, brown. Now take them out from the pan. Now time for frying the fishes. Heat some oil into a pan. Put the marinated fishes one by one into the hot oil. Make sure the oil is piping hot, otherwise the fishes will be stick to the pan and break entirely. Turn them, fry them little brown. Take them out from the pan and set aside. Into the remaining oil, add 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds. Let them temper the oil. Now add big chunks of tomatoes. Little fry them. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute. Turmeric powder enhances the color of curries and also give a nice and different taste. Now add slitted green chilies. I love the smell of green chilies. Fry them for half minute. Time to add crushed ginger. It's about half inch ginger. Mix them on low heat. Now time for our spices. First goes half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste. Mix them well. Remember, we add green chilies, so don't add too much red chilies. Add little bit of water, prevent from burning. Now add the paste. It has 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoon of poppy seeds and 4 to 5 green chilies. Add water finally. You can adjust the consistency by your choice. There are lots of fragrant fish curries and other fish delicacies. One of the most common Bengali fish recipe is Mache'r Jhol, which are made in every household on every day. You can also check my other fish recipes. I'll give the link in the description box. Add previously fried lentil dumplings, fried eggplant, give a nice mix. But one thing, bori will soak water, so add much water to make the right consistency of our Mache'r Jhol, otherwise it will be a very dry curry. Add previously fried fishes. Give a light stir. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes on simmer. Drizzle some mustard oil. It gives a nice aroma. Begun Bori Parshe Macher Jhol or Bengali Parshe curry with eggplant and lentil dumplings is ready. Serve this amazing dish with hot rice and with a piece of kaffir lime. Enjoy the superb taste of fish. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your friends and family. Give your feedback with the name of your favorite fish recipe in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.